What's up, my homies? Norwich versus Liverpool. We won. Yes, let's get it. What's up, my beautiful people? How's it going? We won. Yes, it was the opening fixture, Premier League day, first round of fixtures. And first, let me quickly get you some facts. First, a quick intro about Norwich's fight from the championship. They are back after just one season, winning the league. They struggled last time. They were in the top flight, being relegated after just one season, and Daniel Farka was hoping that they won't. But they came last and they got relegated, but they're back. Liverpool were hindered by injuries during our title defense, and we lost 6 games at home. But we finished strongly, getting 26 points out of 30, finishing in third place. Now starting lineups for Norwich City: Tim Krul, Max Aarons, Grant Hanley, Ben Gibson, Dimitrios Giannoli, Pierre Les, Mayo, Billy Gilmore, Lucas Rupp, Milot Rashica, Teemu Pukki and Todd Cantwell. I think their best player, everybody will tell me that it was Max Aarons, but it was Milot Rashica. That guy is a good player. He's a good winger. And let's quickly get our lineups. Alisson, Trent Alexander-Arnold, Joel Matip, Virgil van Dijk, and Konstantinos Tsimikas. That's our backline. Joel Matip and Van Dijk started. It was a brilliant decision by Jurgen Klopp. Start these two. And I think for the Champions League, Konate and Joe Gomez would be a good pairing. Let's just hope they don't make mistakes in the Champions League and the Cup games. But I think if these two are fit, it's brilliant. It's a brilliant pairing. Now, Alex Oxlade-Chamberlain got the nod. He isn't totally match fit yet, and it's going to take him 2 months to get those 90 minutes under his belt if he stays fit. If he doesn't get injured, then we're going to see the best of him. Navigator had a good game, which we needed him. And James Milner started. James Milner captained the side, homies. Mohamed Salah, Diogo Jota, Sadio Mane. That's the starting lineup. Now, let's get it. So, Norwich started the game brilliantly. They were playing really well for the first 10 minutes. We weren't really troubled, but you would see Norwich are trying to create things. They're moving the ball really fast. They're trying to play through their possession. But then our first chance came when Alexander-Arnold took the game's first corner. Diogo Jota almost scored with his header, only for Tim Krul to tip it up. It was a good try. Tim Krul just saved that. We had won the last 7 meetings, all of them against Norwich. So we were obviously favourites, and then we had 1.40 odds. That's it. Which is pretty less by any standard. But the first goal of the game came when James Milner spread the ball through after Van Dijk tried to clear it. It came back to him, passed it to Milner. He spread through to Alexander-Arnold. Alexander-Arnold crossed it. Salah touched it, and it slid, and the ball slid between two players. And Diogo Jota just bounced in front of the defender and scored home. Scored the first goal of our campaign. It was awesome. It was a brilliant goal. Now, break. Norwich couldn't trouble Alisson at all. But Van Dijk and Matip looked a little rusty, which is understandable. Both of them had a good game. We kept our clean sheet at the end. But Van Dijk looks so stocky, guys. It's good. Like, at least it'll take him 2 months to get that strong physical back. Right? He can shove defenders, and he looks a little slower. It's okay. It's all understandable. We can get it. Said understandable like 20 times. James Miller also picked up a card before spraying the ball like that for our first goal. But this lad Tsimikas, he had a good game, guys. I expected him to falter, I expected him to look weak, but okay, he didn't have that kind of good opposition. To like, I mean, top notch opposition to try to put a dent in his armor. He had a good game till the 80th minute, then he looked shaky. He put cross after our first goal, and it was pretty good, his performance. So we went into halftime at Timo Pukki had another shot. Van Dijk couldn't judge the ball when they sprayed along the lines on the side. This is one of those situations where it gets harder for defenders. So he sprayed wide, which they did. Then he couldn't judge it if he should go for the ball or he should stay back. Then by that time, the ball goes behind Van Dijk. So Matip just had to come in and clear it. But Timo Pukki had a good chance. He hit the post. He went close. But that's about it. We dominated the first half. Norwich started second half quickly. They got out of the blocks fast. But we got them on the counter. And Alexander Arnold put in a cross and Max Aarons had to come in and block it. Otherwise, it was a sure shot goal for Sadio Mane. Next chance, we had another quick break. Milner teed up Sadio Mane again. But Gibson, their defender, comes in and blocks the shot. But Sadio Mane didn't shoot. He passes it on to Jota. Jota shot. And Gibson comes in and blocks it. It would have been a sure shot goal. Good save by the defender Gibson. Next, Norwich, they pressed up high like they have been since the start of the second half. We caught them the third time on the counter attack when Jota dribbled past a player on the left and then he dribbled past another one and Cantwell just took him down because he was about to play the ball for Salah and get an assist for making goal, but he brings him down. We get a yellow card. Todd Cantwell gets a yellow card. We get a free kick which Arnold just misses the target by. Now it's time for substitutions. We took out Oxlade-Chamberlain and put Fabinho in to shore our lead 1-0 and make sure our attacks are counted, like done proper. So Firmino came on instead of Jota. Then we had a chance. Salah dribbled on the right, dribblers scored the shot, but Tim Krul comes in and makes the save. Then finally the next chance is the goal. Bobby Firmino scores. Salah assisted with his right foot, which you would not expect him to do. We again counter-attacked quickly, and it looked like the chance was gone. But Mane somehow managed to pass the ball from the center of the 10 box to Salah. And then Salah crossed it back to Firmino. And it was a tap in. It was a brilliant goal. 2-0 Liverpool. Yes! That's 2 assists for Salah. And we're taking the victory home, guys. Then Norwich had a chance after we just scored. Tsimikas, Norwich player called Rupp, dribbles past him. He got like stuck inside out. And Tsimikas got dribbled like, whoa, like a whirlwind got him. But then Rupp shot it over the bar way too high. Chance wasted. By the way, quick stat, this was our 8,000th goal of the top flight, which Roberto Firmino scored today. And Manchester United are only 89 ahead of us, 8,089. That's their total goals scored. So don't worry, homies. We're gonna get them. And then finally Salah scores, guys. This was a third goal. This was a corner. And Salah somehow managed to get the ball on his left, right at the edge of the box. And he had a split second to take that shot. And he took it so quick. Not Tim Krul, and there was another defender standing on the line. Even he couldn't see it because he shot it right between them. It was a great goal. It was a great goal. Like one quick tap, gone, and it's inside. Daniel Farka then finally makes substitutions when Norwich are 3-0 down. And in his post match conference, he said, "We only got 2 weeks to prepare for this match. So I think the players did very well." I don't get it. You're making a substitution. You're Norwich, you need to win it. You need to keep it tight. Then at least, chalo, we can give them credit for not eating that fourth goal, eating that fifth goal. But what kind of credit is that? By the way, Mohamed Salah sets a new record. He's the first player to score in consecutive opening day fixtures. This was the fifth time. He has scored in each of the past 5 seasons on the first day for us, which is a pretty cool, unique record to have. Seriously, guys. What do you think? Then Naby Keita got to rest 10 minutes, and Harvey Elliott, yes! I love it. We love it when youngsters get to play. We love it when youngsters get a chance. They're showing their potential. They're showing how good they are. I think we don't need any other players. We are fit and full in central midfield. I know all the homies' concern is who's gonna score the goals from the middle of the park. Yeah, it's kind of dry. Curtis Jones might get approx 5 goals. Hendo might get 5 goals, and the others might chip in one or two. That's about it. I don't think so. We're gonna have like a 15 goal scoring midfielder, but that's okay as long as you keep it tight at the back and our front guys keep scoring. Then that's it, guys. We won. The match ended after that. And let me give you quick transfer rumors for sticking on with me. Divock Origi and Serdan Shaqiri are almost out. I wanted to see Divock get a run out for another 5-10 minutes, but sadly he didn't, homies. His face looked like a baby, like, let me play for a bit. All the players get like that. It's okay, guys. It's okay. You'll get a chance, but you better take that chance. Thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I love you all. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.